I'll add the Weld modifier to this Susan monkey head mesh. The Weld modifier is fairly straightforward to use. You can set it to all or connected modes. You can set the distance inside of which the modifier will detect vertices to weld together, and you can even isolate the modifier to a specific vertex group. I have pre-assigned 2 vertex groups to this mesh. These meshes are already separate even though they are joined together as a single Susan monkey head. With the mode set to all, let's dial up the distance. You'll immediately see how the edges collapse, and that the eyes and head are treated as the same consistent mesh. If I switch the mode to connected, the head and the eyes will still be collapsed, but only vertices which are connected to the same mesh will be affected. Therefore, the head vertices will be welded independently of each eye mesh. I've separated out an edge loop here to demonstrate an extra setting which becomes active in connected mode. Enabling this will only collapse loose edges. These are any edges not attached to a face. Notice when it is enabled, the Susan head no longer displays the weld effect, but I can dial back the distance and affect the separated edge ring. I'll disable this once more and select the eye vertex group from the drop-down here. I can now isolate the weld modifier to just this vertex group, or just the head vertex group. I can even invert the vertex group selection. What this does is apply the modifier to anything outside of the selected vertex group.